Today we'll be making Hyderabadi Chicken Kachhi Biryani. The Hyderabadi Kachhi Dum Biryani is another variation of the normal chicken biryani. Let's learn how to do it. We'll wash our chicken very well. 2-3 times we'll rinse it. Today we are making it for 1 kg chicken, so you can proportionately increase or decrease the amount of spices as you see fit. After the chicken is nice and clean, we add some salt, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Here I am using a small spoon, that's why I am saying 1 teaspoon. Massage the chicken well with your hands. For our spices, we will be grinding some cloves, cinnamon sticks, star anise, some green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, javitri, bay leaves, and shah jeera. Try and keep the quantities of the spices similar to what you see in this video. We grind these spices in a mixie so that it becomes into a coarse powder, which we finally add into the chicken. The powder is ready. We also pluck our pudina leaves from the stems and then wash them. This will give a very nice flavor to our biryani. Also chop some coriander leaves for later. We will take 3 to 4 green chilies and then split them like this. Give them cuts through the middle. We are thinly slicing 6 medium-sized onions. If you have large ones, 4 will be enough. The slicing method will play a part in the taste of the final biryani. Now fry the sliced onions in a lot of oil. We are trying to caramelize them until they are golden brown. This is the color we are aiming for. Now the onions are well fried. We will take some of the onions aside for later. We will use it for garnishing. We are going to heat a cup of milk and then add some strands of saffron. This will give a subtle flavor and a good color to our biryani. Give a couple of quick stirs. These are a bunch of chopped coriander, plucked pudina leaves and split green chilies with a cup of curd and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we will add all of these to the marinated chicken. Now to our chicken we will add ginger garlic paste, the slit green chilies, the coriander leaves and the pudina leaves. Leave some leaves for later. Now we are adding the fried onions. Also add the oil left over from the fried onions. This will have the onion flavor in it. Add a cup of curd or dahi and the dry spice powder that we prepared. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now we'll start cooking the rice. For 1 kg of chicken, we will take 1 kg of basmati rice. We will wash and rinse the rice in water. We will now let the rice soak for at least half an hour. Now we will heat some water to cook our rice in. Add 2 teaspoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt. The water needs to taste like seawater. So that is the amount of salt you need to add. Now we will add some of the spices that we have kept aside in the beginning. Now that the water is boiling, we will add the soaked rice. We will cook the rice till it is 70% done. So why is it called Kachhi Biryani? Kachhi in Hindi means raw. So we put the raw chicken at the bottom and then we layer the rice on top and then we let it cook for 45 minutes. So that's why it's called Kachhi Biryani. Now we cook the rice for 10 minutes. You know that the rice is done 70% by checking the rice. When you press a rice grain and it is almost done, that means it is 70% done. Now we will add the strained rice to the chicken like this. Add all of the rice on top, no layering now. Once we have added all of the rice on top, now we will garnish it on top with fried onions. Add the pudina leaves and coriander leaves on top. Add 2 heaped teaspoons of desi ghee on top for the added richness and the taste. Now add the saffron mixed milk like this. Cover it. Now this part is very important. Cook the biryani for 10 minutes on high flame, 15 minutes on medium flame, then 15 minutes on low flame. Keep a weight on top so that the steam does not escape. It's 10 minutes now. Now we'll keep a pan in between the biryani and the flame because the biryani container's bottom is slightly thin. Reduce the flame to medium. In a normal biryani, we cook the chicken, layer the rice on top, and then we make layers. So that is a normal style of biryani. But in Kachhi biryani, we put the marinated chicken at the bottom and then we put all the rice on top and then we let it cook in dum. Putting the marinated chicken down and not cooked, that's why it's called Kachhi. It's been 15 minutes on low flame. The biryani is finally done. Can't wait. Look at it. So beautiful. My container here is very small, so it's difficult for me to mix and get the pieces from out from the bottom, but I'll try. The chicken is cooked perfectly well. Look at how tender it has become. That's it. This is the Hyderabadi Chicken Kachhi Dum Biryani. You have to try this at home. Now look at how happy I am. Finally it's done. This is the Hyderabadi Chicken Kachhi Biryani. You have to try this. Amazing, outstanding. You have to try this at home.